It's time for big profits. It's time for modern technology that can extract money at lightning speed. This is the MaxBot channel. Now I will make trades with the help of neural network, which is able to independently produce signals with the highest accuracy. Now you will see the structure, thanks to which you can make millions on the distance. I will show the first trade on the time frame of 3 minutes, the currency pair Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. The signal from the bot is lower. In this case, you need to press the red button in pocket option. Also, MaxBot provides additional information in the message with the signal. Price fluctuations are reduced. The news background does not affect our currency pair now. So, now I will analyze in detail why the robot gave such a recommendation. I will use the TradingView platform for technical analysis. Let's take a look at the whole picture together. According to the tick volume histogram, we can notice the red candles. Sellers are quite active at the moment. They were also periodically included in the game during the past 2 hours. The consolidation state was mostly observed. Also, in several places we can pay attention to local highs, when the buyers bumped into support areas, which confirmed the strength of the sellers and the rudiments of their potential. You can also notice, I am showing with arrows, how the candles crossed the upper Bollinger Band and started moving towards the simple moving average. This, in the context of this situation, does not so much indicate a trend reversal, but rather confirms consolidation. After that, the sideways movement continued, and the price did not start moving upwards significantly. But the sellers did not let the buyers break through and pin them with a resistance area about 5 minutes ago. I believe that in this situation on our 2-minute time frame the bears have higher potential, so a slight lower movement will allow us to take profits and the bot signal will be accurate. Friends, we are running a massive comment contest on our channel. You can win a great prize of $1,000 by following a few steps. Watch this video from the beginning to the end, subscribe to this YouTube channel,
Like, follow, subscribe.
give a like to this video and write one comment on trading topics. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Only one message is accepted from one person, which must be thematic. Off-topic comments such as "I want $1,000" will not be allowed to participate. I choose one winner each week using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there, I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Good luck to everyone. Also, don't forget to try out our robot. The link is in the description. This tool will triple your deposit on the first day. The investment you make at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first hours of operation. After buying the bot, you will get to the VIP chat, where market analytics with situations and signals are analyzed. Now on the screen you can see the reviews of people who are already working and earning with us. Become a part of a big and technological project. Become a progressive trader together with MaxBot. So, the first 3-minute trade closed successfully. The robot signal and my analytics were correct. $1,408 was deposited to the real account. Now I want to build on the success and make one more trade. I will change the settings in order to show the flexibility of the robot's thinking in different market conditions and with different expiry times. I choose a new currency pair from the 27 that are presented in its menu. Swiss franc and Japanese yen. The time frame is 2 minutes. I double the market entry amount to $3,200. Let's work. Let's go.
Let's go!
I am about to get a second signal from the robot. I remind you that you can get 3 signals for free via the link in the description. So, the bot recommends entering a higher side trade. Now you need to click on the green button on the broker's website. In the message with the signal, MaxBot indicated additional information. Volatility is now increased. The news background has a strong influence on the price movement within our selected currency pair. Now I will once again analyze the robot's signal to understand why the neural network decided to give a recommendation for a higher side. So, let's take a close look at the price movement chart and indicators.
Keep your eyes open.
The chart has been in an obvious downtrend for the past 2 hours, with no fundamental changes. But to anticipate the next events, I will immediately look at one of the indicators. Which one? Yes, the volume indicator, of course. I would like to point out that a couple of minutes ago, the buyers showed themselves quite powerful, while earlier they turned on little by little, unable to reverse the trend. In several places, they managed to bring the price movement into a consolidation state with the help of support areas, but it did not last long and the lower trend continued. But right now, the bulls have shown the most volume they've ever had in the last half hour. This could be a really big problem for sellers. This is another period of consolidation, after which the price will have a chance to turn from flat and the trend will go up, at least for a short time. Now there are all chances for this. And the fact that our time frame is only 2 minutes allows us to catch the moment, which is necessary to close the deal in the plus. I think that the robot, when performing a quick technical analysis with the help of neural network resources, came to a similar conclusion. Let's wait a bit together and see the final result. Once again, I would like to draw your attention to the fact that the robot was trained on the knowledge that our developers have been getting for 9 years. This experience is given by our team for a nominal fee together with the top product. Look at what results this monster achieves. $2,816 is the profit from the second trade. Our analytics turned out to be accurate. The total amount of profit for 2 transactions is great and makes me very happy, $4,224. This is how you can make millions. The combination of knowledge, artificial intelligence, correct decisions, and analyzing all your actions. This is the key to high results and stability. And the main thing, our team gives you the opportunity to use 3 trial signals from the bot for free, after which you can buy its full version with unlimited signals. The link is in the description of this video. Develop your thinking, implement the top tool in your work. Always look at the little things and study the work of indicators. You are capable of much, and together with MaxBot you are capable of great achievements. Friends, give us a like if you liked this episode. Subscribe to the channel and click on the bell to always be aware of new videos. It's time for the big trade.